Hi, second grade. Welcome to math. Today is Friday, September 11th, 2020. Now you can take out your math book. Take out the one that has the colored pages. There should be color on the inside. And turn to page 37. This is lesson 1.7. It's problem solving with tens and ones. So you should be on a page like this. Mine has white boxes because I had to cover the answers because this is from my teacher's book. So don't worry about those white boxes. Yours should just be blank in those spots. So let's read the word problem at the top of the page. Gail needs to buy 32 pencils. She can buy single pencils or boxes of 10 pencils. What are all the different ways Gail can buy 32 pencils? So we can see it's asking us right here, what do I need to find? And it has in dotted letters that we can trace over. We need to find ways Gail can buy 32 pencils. And it gave us some information in our word problem. So now we have the question, what information do I need to use? She can buy single pencils, so just one at a time, or boxes of 10 pencils. And now if we look down at this box and this one, we can see that they started to show us how we can solve this problem. They drew pictures on the side to show two different ways that Gail can make groups of 32. In the first box, they have 3 tens, so that's right here, 3 groups of 10, and then 2 single pencils, 2 pencils that are on their own. It's right here. You guys notice this is our tens and this is the ones. You can pause this and write that above the green box to help you remember. This is just separating our tens and our ones. Another way that they found is that Gail can buy 2 boxes of pencils, so 2 groups of 10, and then have 12 single pencils, 12 pencils on their own. Those are our 1 blocks. It's 12. We need to figure out how many ones are in the 2 other ways that Gail can buy the pencils. So this one says 110. Let's draw 110. How many ones does she need to get to 32 if she has 110? Let's continue counting. Start with 10, and then we can just draw little dots. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember what we do? Circle to show that you have 10 right there. And then let's keep counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Circle to show we have 10. Let's keep counting. So we have 30, 31, 32. Okay, how many ones do we have total right here? We have 10, 20, 21, 22. 22. Plus our tens block, how many would we have? 32, the total number of pencils. And our last one shows 0 in the tens place. That means how many ones will we have to have? How many single pencils? That's right, 32. So go ahead and draw 32 dots. And don't forget, you can circle your groups of 10 so that way you can keep track of how many you have total. Let's look at our box, the chart that has the boxes of 10 pencils, our tens place, and the single pencils, our ones place. Do you guys notice anything about these numbers? Well, on this side, in our ones place that I am highlighting, the numbers go down by 1. We started with 3, then it goes down to 2. Take 1 away, it goes down to 1. Take another away, it goes down to 0. That's a pattern. It's something that we see each time. It's taking away 1. So 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Each time. Look at the other side. This side. What do you notice about this side? Do you see a pattern? We're adding 10 each time. We're adding 10. 2 plus 10 equals 12. 12 plus 10 equals 22. 22 plus 10 equals 32. So we were adding 10 until we had our total, the amount of pencils, 32. Look at the next page, page 38. You should see 38 in the corner. And we're just going to do number 1. I don't want us to have too long of a video, so we'll just do number 1. Let's read the word problem together. Sarah has 36 crayons. She can pack them in boxes of 10 crayons or as single crayons. What are all the ways Sarah can pack the crayons? So let's ask ourselves, what do we need to find? We need to find all the ways Sarah can pack the crayons. You can underline that or highlight it with a crayon. And what information did they give us that we can use? That she can pack in boxes of 10 or as single crayons. And she has 36 total. So we can remember, just like on the other side, that the boxes of 10 crayons would be our tens place, and the single crayons would be our ones place. And they gave us the first one. If we take apart that 36, we have 3 tens and 6 ones. Remember our pattern? What's 3 minus 1? 2. So if we have 2 tens, how many single crayons would we have? Add 10. 6 plus 10, we would have 16 crayons. Okay, let's figure out the next one. If we take away another box of 10 crayons, 2 minus 1, how many would we have? 1. We'd have 1 box of crayons left. 1 group of 10. But then in our ones place, we have to give 10 more because we took it away from the tens. So then we would have 26 ones. And what about if we had no boxes of 10 crayons? That'd be 0. And in the ones place, we would have all the crayons our total, which is 36. So we added 10. Sorry, I mixed up my colors. So this is pretty much what you were doing yesterday, but showing it in a different way. So I know this is difficult, so we will continue to practice this. You do not have to do any pages on your own today. After this video, please just log into ST Math from Clever and play on ST Math for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to try to do the problem underneath on this page, you can try, but you do not have to. I know this is a challenge. I know it's tricky. We'll keep practicing it. Thank you so much, second grade.